if you want to use Magic Eraser on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, just open the Google Photos and pick the photo that you want to adjust and use Magic Eraser. Click Edit button at the bottom of the screen, go for the actions and select Magic Eraser. Now you have to just wait a little bit. Now we can tap, circle or brush to erase. So in my case, let's check if we can find automatic recognition. I just tap on it and it's not correct. So I'm gonna click X because I don't want to remove like everything. So let's select. There we go. Let's do this one more time. Let's click on it. And now I'm gonna actually circle around the object that I want to remove. Now we got that correct selection. Click erase and just wait a little bit. Let's see how it works, how it performs. Yeah, it works pretty good actually. There's like no any sign that something was here. And now if you want to finish, you will have to click on the right bottom corner, and that's pretty much it. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.